Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of the time-consuming salon visits but still crave that flawless salon-worthy manicure, today's review is for you. We're checking out the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in Winter Sparks. These nails promise a chic, ultra-smooth gel manicure, but can they really deliver that high-end salon look at home? Let's dive into the details and find out. First off, the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in Winter Sparks come in a lovely light purple shade, perfect for adding a subtle yet trendy touch to your nails. These are medium-sized coffin-shaped nails, which are all the rage right now, sleek and edgy, while still being versatile enough for any occasion. Each kit contains 28 nails, a 2-grind tube of gel nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick, which makes it a full DIY kit for an at-home manicure. The design itself is gorgeous. You get that ultra-glossy gel-like finish, which makes these nails look just like salon acrylics, without all the hassle. And what's even better? The nails are ready to go in minutes. No soaking, no drying time, just perfect nails in a snap. I was really impressed by how easy it was to apply. The glue was sticky enough to hold the nails firmly in place, but not so strong that it made removal impossible. I gave these nails a solid test run, wearing them for a full week, and they truly held up. I went about my regular routine, typing, doing dishes, even some light cleaning, and I didn't experience any peeling or chipping. The Winter Sparks shade stayed vibrant and the nails didn't feel too bulky, even though they're a bit longer than my usual style. I do want to note that they fit quite comfortably with just enough flexibility to move with my natural nails. Now on to the pros and cons. The best thing about the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails is definitely how easy they are to apply. Whether you're a pro or a newbie to press-ons, the kit gives you everything you need to get that perfect at-home gel manicure. The nails themselves are lightweight, and the gel finish gives them a sophisticated, high-quality look that's not too far from what you'd expect at a salon. They also last up to 14 days, which is a pretty solid wear time for press-ons. However, one downside I noticed is that they're a bit rigid, which can make them feel less comfortable if you have natural nails that curve a lot. If you're someone who likes a very natural fit, this might be something to keep in mind. Also, while the glue is strong, I did find that the adhesive could be a bit tricky to remove without some gentle effort, so you'll want to follow the instructions carefully for safe removal. As for value for money, these press-on nails come in at a reasonable price point when compared to salon visits or even other premium press-on brands. You're getting salon-quality nails that last up to 2 weeks without the hefty price tag of a professional manicure. If you're looking for convenience and durability without breaking the bank, these are an excellent option. In terms of comparison, there are a few other press-on nails out there, but the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails stand out with their gel-like shine and wide variety of color options. Some alternatives may be cheaper, but in my experience, they don't offer the same level of polish or wear time, which is why Kiss remains a go-to for press-on nails. Build quality is also solid. The packaging is compact and sturdy, and all the components in the kit feel well made. The glue is easy to apply, and the mini file and manicure stick are thoughtful additions that make the whole process feel professional. Now, I haven't had any direct experience with Kiss customer service yet, but the brand has a strong reputation for delivering quality products, and their global presence speaks volumes about their reliability. In terms of product alternatives, if you're on a tight budget but still want a quality press-on manicure, you might want to look at brands like Impress, which offer similar styles at a slightly lower price point. However, if you're willing to splurge, some salon-quality brands like Static Nails can also give you a similar aesthetic, but expect to pay a premium for their product. To wrap things up, the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in Winter Sparks are a great choice for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and long-lasting manicure. They offer fantastic value for the price, especially for those who want a salon-quality look at home. The nails have a chic, trendy design, and they hold up well under everyday use. If you're tired of shelling out money at the nail salon, or just need a quick fix before an event, this is a solid pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.